Hello guys, FJ Garage. Today I will show you and explain you what the number on the car tire means. So for example, this is my new Yaris. It has a 15-inch tire, but what does that number means here? So for example, it says 175. 175 is the width of the tire basically, and this is 65. 65 is the aspect ratio to the width. For example, this height is 65% of that width. R is radial construction, and 15 is the rim size, the size of the rim of the car. Yeah, that's how they write that specs of the tire. And one thing you have to be careful about tire construction. Shouldn't be more than 5 years and should be dated on the tire stamp, and you can check the tire grooves if they are very narrow, rough, broken, have cracks, marks, or not very deep. Should be at least 5 mm minimum. Then it's time to change your tire. So for example, this tire, the corners are getting a little bit bad, so it's the time to go. Thank you. Thanks for liking my video. Hope you like it.